Good day. Welcome to Talisman High Strand. Questerville is the owner of Strand franchise and others. Today we want to talk to you a little bit about the use of a compaction rammer. Now typically in this video you will see and explaining the three components of starting a compaction. Firstly, make sure that the fuel tap is open, that your machine is switched on, and if it's the first start of the day, to open up the choke. So it's the fuel system, the choke that needs to be open, the on-off switch, and the revs to be at a minimum when you start the machine. Once you've started the machine operates at 12.7 kilonewton force compaction, and it also the impact rate is 600 plus minus 650 blows per minute. This machine's consumption is in the region of about 0.88 liters per minute, and it will compact 350 millimeter layers of soil at 3 to 5 passes to get your required impact rate. Always necessary to check your compaction as well, and not just rely on the feel thereof. As you can see, this machine also needs to be operated from the outside to the inside, and a slight application of water also assists in the compaction of your medium that you want to compact. This machine is more prone and acceptable for compaction of soil where you don't have a clear sand. This sand could also be compacted with a vibrating plate rather than a rammer, but due to the nature of the size of this base area, a rammer is more suitable. And as you can see, the compaction happens from the outside to the inside to get the maximum compaction. This site is the revamp of 99onBeach Road in the Strand, iconic building in the Strand. Please contact us at 267 Main Road in the Strand for more detail on any equipment required at your building site. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.